Hello guys, today we're going to prove this theorem, theorem 7. So it says prove that B angle CD is equal to angle A. So we know that this is a tan chord theorem. So what are we going to do? We're going to construct. So let's say we construct from here. We make our own construction, and then let's say this is E. So we are going to say we construct C, O, E and EB and EB, C, O, E and EB. So let's say now this is C1, this is C2, just like that. So we can also say this is B1, this is B2, just like that. So let's start. Let's start by saying, so this is a diameter. We constructed a diameter. Remember, a diameter is a line from the circumference of the circle passing through the center of the circle and to the circumference of the circle. So since this is a diameter and we have an angle here, this angle is 90 degrees, or the diameter subtends at 90 degrees. So we are going to say this is B1 and B2. So let's say angle B1 plus angle B2 is equal to 90 degrees. So since this angle is subtended by a diameter, the reason we're going to say this is an angle in a semicircle. Remember, semi means half, so it's an angle in a half circle. So it's an angle in a semicircle. So this is a diameter and this is a tangent. So the angle between the diameter and the tangent is 90 degrees because the diameter and the tangent are perpendicular to each other. So we are going to say now C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 is equal to 90 degrees. So the reason is what? So it's a diameter perpendicular to the tangent. The diameter perpendicular to a tangent, therefore 90 degrees. So since this is a 90 degrees and this is a triangle, so we are going to say, since this is 90 degrees, that means this angle plus this angle is what, 90 degrees. So we're going to say C1 plus angle E is equal to 90 degrees. So this we can say is the sum angles of a triangle. So it's triangle BCE. So from here, let's check. C1 plus C2 is equal to 90 degrees. C1 plus angle E is equal to 90 degrees. It means what? It tells us that, therefore, we can say therefore C1, when we added C1 with C2, we got 90 degrees. Also the same C1, when we add it with angle E, we also get 90 degrees. So it means what? It means that angle C2 is equal to angle E. Why? Because when we add the E with C1, we get 90. When we add the C2 with the same C1, we get 90. So it means what? C2 and angle E are both equal. So we can say, but angle E, this is angle E, is equal to angle A, Y. Let's check. We have this chord BC. So when we hold this chord, when we move, we're going to get angle E, and then we come back to the same chord, and then it takes us to angle A. So what is the reason? The reason it says these are angles in a same segment, or they are subtended by the same chord, which is BC. So let's check. Angle C2 is equal to angle E. Angle E is equal to angle A. It means what? It means that we can say, therefore, that means angle A and angle C2, they are both equal. So we can say angle C2 is equal to angle A. And then what is the reason? They are both equals to angle E. So let's check. Check C2. C2 is that, and we are saying C2 is equal to angle A. So this is what we're looking for, but we call C2 as what? As B angle CD. So therefore B, which is B angle CD, so it's B angle CD is equal to what? Angle A. So this is what they wanted us to prove. B angle CD is what? Angle A. So this is the final answer.